Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be doing a heart-shaped fruit platter, and this can be used for like engagement parties or something of that nature. Very basic, but should be a very nice platter. Anyway, this platter is a 18 by 26, just a white platter that I'm using. You can get it on Amazon, relatively cheap. They're like $20 or so. I'm going to start out. I have some grapes that I've cut into small bunches, and I'm just going to put a large bunch of grapes at the top. I have lots of different centerpieces that you can do if you like. There's lots of different centerpieces that I do that you can use. This is just a very, very basic, just throw some grapes in the middle. If they want to stay, they may not want to stay. So this platter, I'm not going to be showing you how to peel or slice the melon. I have plenty of other videos where I do that. I'm just going to show you a nice design. So as I said, we're going to be doing a heart. Alright, so this is going to go here, like so. And basically, you just want to make it heart-shaped. You want to make sure that the green part of the melon is in a relatively straight line. Same thing this side. So what I did was, these I put this way, and then these I actually put down, like this, when you stand it up, is over here and goes down this way. This, when you stand it up, goes the other way. So now we're going to do some honeydew. The grape just tried to escape. Put our honeydew now. Except for this is opposite. This is on the inside and that's on the outside. So let's switch that. Okay, so now we have some cantaloupe that we're going to put on the outside over here, like so. Some cantaloupe over here, like so. So now we're going to put some cantaloupe down in the middle. Like so. Good. So now we're going to go with some pineapple, some on the outside. This we want to be pretty thin because we don't have a big space over here. So we want a pretty thin line. Let's do the same thing over there. Put this on the outside. Once again, nice thin line. So four that has to go in the opposite direction. Now we're going to take some pineapple and put it up on top. Fill that in. Good. And then we're going to fill with some strawberries. Good. We're going to put some strawberries on the bottom. We have a nice little dragon fruit centerpiece that we're going to put over here. Always go with the biggest strawberries in back. Very important. Now, take a look at our platter, and let's fill it with some blueberries first. We'll do a line of blueberries over here. Now let's do a line of blueberries on the other side. Put some mixed berries at the bottom. star fruit over here. So star fruit over here. Over there. Actually, over there. And all right, we're gonna just take a couple more over here. Actually, maybe over here would be this. Now we're just gonna put some blueberries over here, and we're done. I'm gonna escape again. Alrighty. Voila.